Hello guys, welcome back to new video. I have touch dual display terminal. When I select extend this display, touch not working in main display. I show you how to solve this problem. First you can go to settings, click Windows key and click settings icon. You can see system icon and click system, and you can select extend this display. You can see touch is not working. Now you must use mouse for this. I close that error message and I try to touch but not working. You must use mouse. Okay, now I'm going to settings, Windows key and settings icon, and you go to control panel, Windows key and type control, and you can select control panel, and you can see table PC settings. Click it and you can see that display model. You can select mobile PC display and click setup, and you can see this one. You can touch that sentence and touch again this display, and you can see to solve this problem. You can see, yeah, this is solved. Now touch is working. Thank you for watching this video.